Konnichiwa. Hello, my name is Mayumi Wright. I'm your host for Taste Prep. Each show, I will walk you through some of my favorite recipes that I know you will enjoy. If you love food as much as I do, you will want to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Welcome to Taste Prep. We have new episodes every Monday, so please be sure to check back on us. Today we're making peanut butter and banana ice cream. It is dairy-free and sugar-free. I am lactose intolerant and I am not able to eat regular ice cream, but this one I can. So I am very happy to share this recipe with you. This is what you need for making peanut butter banana ice cream. This is for serving of 2. You will need 2 bananas with brown spots, sliced and freezed overnight. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cacao nibs, and a half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Okay, we're going to use a food processor today. If you don't have food processor, please use a blender. Okay, now I have bananas here. Those are frozen. I'm going to put it in here. Now peanut butter goes in here. If you're allergic to peanut butter, please use almond butter or cashew butter, of any nut butter of your choice. And a pinch of salt. Not too much, just a pinch. And a half teaspoon of vanilla goes in here. Now I'm going to toss it. Okay, stop occasionally and use the spatula to mix them so that it's equally blended. Looks good. Now I'm going to add cacao nibs just to give like a chocolate chip flavor to it. If you like to add a real chocolate chip, you're more than welcome to do so. I just wanted to make this vegan so that it's available to everybody. So now I'm going to mix it and use that scoop to put it in a cup. This is that easy and it tastes so good. And maybe as a finishing touch, you can add cacao nibs on top. Make it a little bit fancy. So that's the ice cream. It's very easy to make. And instead of running to the store to get an ice cream, you can actually make it at your home within 5 minutes. Okay? So if you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Like I said, we have new episodes coming up every Monday, so please be sure to check back on us, okay? Thank you very much. See you next time. さよなら。